We'll guide you through how to create an overlay in Figma. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma and go to your project where you want to add the overlay. Select the frame or component that you want to use as a trigger for the overlay. Next, you'll need to create the overlay itself. You can do this by creating a new frame within your project. This frame will be your overlay, so design it with the elements you want to include, like text, images, or buttons. Once your overlay frame is ready, it's time to set up the interaction. Click on the trigger frame and then go to the prototype tab in the right sidebar here. You'll see a small circle on the right edge of your selected frame. Click and drag the circle to your overlay frame to create a connection in the interaction panel that appears. Choose on click for the trigger type. Then under the action section, select open overlay from the drop-down menu. You can customize how your overlay appears by choosing the animation style and position, such as slide in or fade in, and decide whether it should close when clicking outside of it. This is handy for creating a user experience that feels natural. Make sure to preview your prototype by clicking the play button in the top right corner to test your overlay. If everything looks good, you're all set. You've successfully created an overlay in Figma. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.